See, now I wish I had 3 hands. Here, let me angle this light over here. Maybe it'll help. Yeah, just lay it down. Anyway, I wish I had 3 hands because this is, I think, a 32 or so inch wall. And in my, all right, this is the reason why I hate new construction. This wall is 32 inches. I checked right there. So from there, I mark 0. That's approximately 31.5. Okay, so 31.5. In my rule book, there's supposed to be 2 studs here. I mean, 3, fine. One in the corner, one in the center at 16, one in the other corner. Big whoop. All right, this is not the best stud finder, but I can find stuff in the corner. Well, when it works properly, I can find studs in the corner. I should be able to find one in the middle. That is not the 16-inch mark. That's the corner right there. That's the other corner. That is not the 16-inch mark. I'd say that qualifies as nothing. The reason why it lights up so much here, if you can hear that extra rattle, there's HVAC vents back here. So this is detecting the metal that is somewhere else. There should be a stud like there, but it's not in the right place. Oh. Took those guys out, and I'm just trying to find my studs between here and here. Okay, that's, I don't think that's 16 inches, but let's see. I need 3 hands for this. Let me shorten this guy so I can actually work with it. Between the corner, and I think it was around this nail hole. That's 16. That's supposed to be a stud, but it's around 19. How do I do this? Oh. Yeah, it's right around 19. Can I? Phone slipping. Yeah, I need 3 hands. Can't do this with 2. But anyway, you know what I mean. So it's at 20 inches here. I bet you the next one is around here, and it's not. I bet you the next one's around here, and it's not 20. It's not going to be 36 inches. That from between here and the corner is at least what, 3.5, maybe 4 feet. Like, come on, people. You're supposed to be, well, then again, the standard is very low for new construction homes. Unfortunately, that's, I mean, new construction home, you buy a home, you're expected to be up to standard or at least follow some sort of rules. But no. All right, let me figure out how I'm gonna get this stuff into this wall, or closet shelves and stuff into this wall. I might have to use toggle bolts, but I'm not trying to do that because stores are probably closed right now. But if they aren't, it's gonna be a mad dash. So I'll figure this thing out.